Good morning, everybody. As you can see here, I'm trying to start lives earlier because I need more time preparation for market open. 9 a.m. was very good for you guys, but I need for myself more time for preparation. So I'm trying to do as early as 8:30, but the day sometimes between 8:30 to 9, I'll do the live from now on. So let's see what's going on. Yesterday was crazy on cryptos thanks to especially Ethereum, and it went crazy on the news that they may approve a spot ETF. So it went up like it's 10% up on the future, but it went like more than 20% yesterday up. So anyhow, Nvidia earning Wednesday. We got LRCX split news, and it's all about Nvidia. Right now, market is just in a tight range, up and down. Every time it feels like it's going to dump. Good morning. Every time it feels like it's going to go, I'm gonna check who too. It jumps up, then it goes up, then it pulls back. So let's see what's going on. Pre-market, as you can see here on the ES 5, 15, 31 hours downward, 4 hour. We still don't have a light blue bars, but in general, daily is still upward. And as you can see here, weekly MACD is getting close to a golden cross. A statistic fast golden cross 4 weeks ago, but let's see what's going on. 1 second. So intraday watch for 15 and 30. If you see them golden crosses, market can run up. But keep in mind, it's all about Nvidia. Nvidia is direction setter of the market. If you see the Nvidia goes up, it pulls up the market, it can run up. So it's all about Nvidia, and keep in mind they killing IVs on Nvidia, and it's best to wait near tomorrow. It's best to wait for tomorrow, before tomorrow, if you like to play earning lotus for that. I will go over it tomorrow. NQ, same thing like ES, 5, 15, 31 hours downward, 4 hours still no sign of bullishness, but it's in tight range. MACD weekly is getting near golden cross, not confirmed yet. Pre-market, as you can see here, we are a little bit bearish, but if you see 5, 15 MACD golden cross, can run up again. Dow Jones, nothing special there. RTY pulling back more. Actually it's the weakest index pre-market. So you can see here the 4 hour we're getting a red bars, not a good sign. I will show you the levels on IWM. DXY and 10-year were strong yesterday, and right now pre-market 15 and 30 is upward, but not clear sign. We need to pass. If it passed 104,798, not gonna be a good sign. 10-year, 10-year we got between 430 4.371 and 4.46 up and down for now. Was very strong yesterday. Wix 3% higher. Note that Wix was green yesterday, is opening green today again. We need to have a weak close on Wix to have maybe a green day coming next day. But for now, the stronger the VIX goes, not gonna be a good sign. 4 hour, as you can see here, 4 hour MACD is golden cross on VIX. Once it passed 1307, not gonna be good for market. What else you got here? BTSPX. If 5300 can hold it, the next supports are 5288, 5276. But again, if it runs up, 5315 is the key level to watch. Past that one, 5335. BTC went insane yesterday. So weekly MACD is curving up. We got a light blue bar. Most likely new all-time high is possible to come this week if Nvidia earning good can have effect on it, and then we'll see if it's gonna be a double top or if it's gonna be a pass and run up stronger to 80k. Ethereum went insane, just crazy at 320 yesterday. There was whatever news, whatever it was, just suddenly bumped up big time. And right now is getting, if it passed 44k, is gonna be very interesting. We're getting a light blue bar on the weekly. Daily is very, very bullish, and it's just money pouring in there right now. Apple broke out of the range yesterday. finally on the daily chart on 4 hour, but 191.7 is a key level. So once we passed that one is strong. It went to 191.92. But if it passed that high of yesterday is strong, then we're looking at 192.25, 193.13, and 194. Now 4 hour MACD is still not golden cross. Once it confirms, it's gonna go crazier up. Most likely, it's possible new all-time high comes this season. Um, and supports are these levels: 190, 188. Amazon still weak. Last few days is still in a tight wedge. If you look at the 4 hour chart, it's in a very tight wedge. And 4 hour MACD got a golden cross yesterday, was trying to break out, but then it weakened again. Um, if it falls, we're looking at 182 and 180. Daily MACD is dead cross. 4 hour is still weak, and the weekly is curving down. Need to pass 183.32 for recovery back to 185. Nvidia, all about tomorrow earning, and right now 947. If you can hold it, 940, 936 supports. Need to pass 954 strong to run up to 956, 960, and 965. AVGO holding up stronger right now. Doesn't have any volume pre-market, so 419 pass, 1419 pass, 1437 next target. If it can hold 1400, back to 1389. Coin insane run up yesterday. IV was huge jump up. It was just crazy. I played a 220. I played in and out, but it went from $2 to like $12, and right now it's gapping up 5 points, 7 points. So 233 past that one, 237, 241. If 230 can hold it, back to retest lower level. Note that pre-market 30 MACD is dead cross. 1 hour is still up, 4 hours still very bullish. Daily MACD got a golden cross yesterday. So if cryptos go higher, this one has chance for running up to 240 and higher level. Netflix broke out yesterday strong. If as you can see here on daily chart, it was creating a channel, and then finally it broke at 625 strong. So it went to 641. We'll see if it's gonna continue or not. 641, if it passes, we're looking at 649, 656, and 663. Pre-market right now, 15:30 1 hour is pointing down. So there is some weakness. If 636 can hold it, 631, 628 there are some retests, but need to watch 641. If it passed that one, run up again. Meta, still weakness there since yesterday. Next support levels there are 465, 463. If you can hold those, lower level can get to lower 460s. Pre-market showing weakness, but it's still very bullish on daily. Nvidia earning can have a little bit effect on it, but we'll see. Focus is not on Meta for sure now. Tesla 4 hour MACD got a dead cross yesterday. 1 hour is downward. We're getting a yellow bar, actually interesting on the TTM squeeze, but this one is just it's all about this package for Elon Musk is getting approved or not. Shareholders gonna approve it or not. It's gonna have a big effect. Every run up is short term, and gotta be cautious because everything is just getting sold on it. And I see a lot of people selling calls, big time. They're selling calls on it. They're selling the premiums. So anyhow, if it falls at open again, same like other days, 172, 170.47 next levels. Need to pass 174.87 strong to run up to the higher level. Microsoft, nice run up and went to 627, 427. 4 hour MACD is golden cross, showing some strengths, opening 1-2 points higher. Nvidia earning can have a huge effect on it. 427, if it passes, we're looking at 428, 430, 432. All-time high is 430.82, so it's not that far away. It is possible to come this week. Supports again, 420, 424 and 421 if it pulls back. Google making a new all-time high every day so far, and then pulls back intraday and then recovers. So that's the trend for there right now. 177, 178.44, that's the next key level if it runs up again. Past that one, we're looking at 180, 181, 176 if you can hold it, back to 175, 174 and lower level. AMD, To AMD, same thing. Like every day it runs up, then it comes back to 164. It runs up, then it back comes back. So if it jumps right now, 4 hour MACD is dead cross. 30 and 1 hour is pointing down. So it's possible 164.46 gets a retest. If it can hold it, lower levels are 161, 158, 156, and then but if it jumps up, 165.8 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 167 and 170. But note that every time it jumps up, it gets sold very fast and comes back to 165. This level 165, 164.46 is like a magnet level. SMCI premiums are getting killed. 4 hours still pointing down. Had a nice recovery yesterday, 30 points, but premiums are very high due to Nvidia earning. So if it jumps up at open, which most of the time last few days it jumps at open, then it fades. So 912, 928 is the next keys if it jumps at open. But then if 900 can hold it, we're looking at 890, 882, 870, and worst case scenario 853. SPY in a tight range, up and down. 529 if it can hold it. We're looking to go back to 528, 527. But again, every time it goes down, it jumps up these days and back to 530 and 531. QQQ, as I mentioned yesterday, my my target is 450. 458. It reached 456, but my target is 458. Maybe comes tomorrow, maybe comes after Nvidia earning. We'll see. 4 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar pre-market right now. 15:31 hours downward. So 453, if we can hold it, back to 451, and lower levels are those. I need to pass 454.23 for running up again to 456.05 and higher level. IWM, weakest index pre-market. This one, if it continues lower, we're looking at 207 and 206 next major level. What else we got here? MSTR went insane on BTC. If it passed all-time high, 1800, 1817, 1863, and 1909. Those are the next major levels. We're getting a dark blue bar on the 4 hours, so gotta be cautious from here. Mara, I think I'm gonna start covering. This name is the hottest, as far as I know, is the hottest mining crypto. So 2301, past that one, next major is 24.46, 26, and 29. Dell was very interesting yesterday. It jumped up, then it faded very big time. 144.59, if you can hold it, back to 140. LRCX got a split. This one is not too far from all-time high, so if it opens and jumps 996, 1013, that's the next major level. All-time high I think is 1009. I think 1007 seems like it. Yeah, so 1007 if it passes 111, 1013, and above that, sky is the limit. MU 4 points lower, gap down, 124.72 if you can hold it, 122 and 120. What else you got here? JP Morgan was insanely crazy yesterday. It was just low. This is a very low IV name, and it was very low IV, and it was premiums were so cheap yesterday. It just like went from 1 to 7. Just craziness. So 195.86 can hold it, 194, 193.77. Those are the next major level. Need to pass 197.15 for recovery. Pre-market right now 15:30 is upward. 1 hour we're getting yellow bar. So if the MACD golden cross, can go for recovery. GME had a squeeze up into the close. That's a good sign. That means their buyers are coming in again, possibly. So 22.92, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 24, 26, and 28. What else? Low had a good earning, 5 points higher. 241 is the next major level. What else? That's pretty much it. Hood, Hood gapping up open, 21.31. Past that one, next major levels are 25.26. All right, thank you so much and have a beautiful day. As you can see here, deep buyers are already coming in on SPY again. All right, have a beautiful day. Bye.